This video aims to help you use the Eatwell Guide. The Eatwell Guide is used in the UK to show in picture form how different foods and drinks can help make up a healthy, balanced diet. The Eatwell Guide is for most people, regardless of their body shape, general medical conditions, food preferences, or ethnic origins. Anyone with special dietary or medical requirements should check with a dietitian or registered nutritionist about adapting the Eatwell Guide to meet their individual needs. It does not apply to children under the age of 2. After the age of 2, children should move towards following the Eatwell Guide. The Eatwell Guide shows us in easy picture form what we need to eat over days and weeks for our bodies to work well. The Eatwell Guide can help us plan our meals and snacks and keep us on track for a healthy, balanced diet. The different sections show the amount of each food group needed to get the right balance. Portion sizes will be different for everyone, depending on age, gender, activity levels, health and other factors. We will look now at each of the food groups. Fruit and vegetables. Fruit and vegetables are packed full of vitamins, minerals and fibre. If we eat a variety of fruit and vegetables in a day, we will eat a wide range of nutrients. Fresh, frozen, tinned and owned fruit juice, dried and juiced all count, and we should aim for at least 5 portions a day. For pure fruit juices and smoothies, keep to a maximum of 150 ml in a day due to the high free sugar content. 1 medium fruit, 2 small fruits, 1 tablespoon of dried fruit, a handful of berries, or 3 tablespoons of cooked vegetables count as 1 portion. Potatoes, bread, rice, pasta and other starchy carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are a main source of energy that the body and brain can use easily. They also contain fibre, which is good for our digestive systems. Choose whole grain versions of starchy carbohydrates where possible, as they are higher in fibre. For example, brown rice, whole wheat pasta, and high fibre breads. Dairy and alternatives. Milk, cheese, yogurt and dairy alternatives are included in this group, but not cream, butter and eggs. Dairy and alternatives are packed full of calcium, which helps to keep our bones and teeth strong. They also contain protein and other important vitamins. To reach our calcium requirements, we should aim for 3 portions a day from this food group. For example, a glass of milk, a small pot of yogurt, and a small matchbox size amount of cheese. Choose the lower fat and lower sugar versions of these foods: semi-skim milk, reduced fat cheese, natural yogurt. For flavoured yogurts, read and compare labels to check that they are low in both fat and sugar. If you are buying alternative milks such as soya, oat or almond, check they are unsweetened and fortified with 120 mg of calcium per 100 ml. Beans, pulses, fish, eggs, meat and other proteins. Foods in this group are good sources of protein and also an important source of iron, which keeps our blood healthy. We should aim to eat 2 to 3 portions from this food group a day. Vegetarians and vegans should aim for 3 portions a day. If you eat fish, you should aim to eat at least 2 portions a week, and one of these should be oily. For example, salmon, mackerel, herring or sardines, as these are rich in a good fat called omega-3. If you eat more than 90 grams of red or processed meat a day, you should cut this down to 70 grams and try to choose leaner options such as chicken, turkey or leaner mince. Oils and spreads. This group contains a good type of fat called unsaturated fat, found in vegetable, rapeseed, sunflower and olive oils or spreads. We should use all oils and spreads in small amounts, as all types of fat are high in calories. Foods high in fat, salt and sugar. Cakes, biscuits, chocolate, sweets, crisps, ice cream, sugary and fizzy drinks, salted nuts, sauces and pastries are foods grouped outside the Eatwell Guide to show how they are not a necessary part of our diet. These foods should be enjoyed less often and in small amounts. In addition to what we eat, we should aim to have at least 6 to 8 glasses of fluid a day. Tea, coffee and sugar-free juices count. Take care to limit your caffeine intake. Use front of pack traffic light labels to compare products for fat, salt and sugar content and help you to make the healthiest choice. Watch this video to find out more about understanding food labels. Hopefully you find the Eatwell guide helpful as you shop and meal plan so that you can enjoy a wide variety of foods for good health.